everyone, welcome to the Learning with Pathshala Rights on the Pathshala NHD's live learning classes. So, today's topic of learning is Let's Speak Daily Conversations with me. Daily routines, conversations you will learn in this video, how to speak it with me, and you also have to speak as well as with me, okay? So, the first, and one more thing before starting the video, let me clear one thing that एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो के एंड में आपके होमवर्क्स आपको हर दिन के बताए जाते हैं. एवरी डेज होमवर्क आर देयर एट द एंड. सो डू वॉच द कंप्लीट वीडियो बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो यू हैव योर होमवर्क्स. एंड हे लेट्स स्टार्ट. लेट्स गो टू द learning of daily routines with me. So the first thing when is I wake up. I wake up. Come on, speak. I wake up. It's I wake up. Then immediately I greet myself. I greet myself means you have to energize yourself. Just wish yourself at that movement good morning and start the day. So I speak, greet myself. It's I greet myself. Then I get up. Then you get up and at that movement, what you do is immediately you have to show your gratitude prayer towards your motherland. So, I gratitude prayer towards my motherland, or I touch the feet of my motherland. It's I touch the feet of my motherland, or I show my gratitude prayer towards my motherland. This is the thing you do when you get up. Then it comes to greet your family members. The daily routine you will speak is I greet my family members. Means you have to greet your family members good morning and then you start your day. Then what you do is I fresh up. I fresh up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Then I drink water. In the morning time, you should drink water as you start the day. So I drink water. And then I go to my park or the garden and I do the meditation for 10 minutes. So, I do meditation. I do Om chanting for 5 minutes. I do my daily yogas. Then, I go and take bath. Speak. I go and take bath. After that, I get well dressed. Come on, speak everyone. I get well dressed. After that, I worship to God, or I worship God. Speak again. I worship God. After worshipping to God, what you do is you have your breakfast. So you will speak, I have my breakfast. Speak again, I have my breakfast. After having the breakfast, you should have your studies, daily routine studies, you should involve it. And you will speak in a manner, I have my studies. Again speak it, I have my studies. After this is the time for your studies, you have to study, and after having the studies, it's time for the lunch. So how will you go to your mother? You will ask your mother, have mama or mom, have you prepared the food for me, or have you some foods for me? So you will speak, have you some foods for me? So if you have to speak it, mama, have you some foods for me? This is the manner to speak it. And it's the time for your lunch, so you will have your lunch and then just get some rest. So you will speak, I have rest. Come on, speak, I have rest. After rest, you get up and it's the time to have some playing games. And I play games. And hey, when you're playing games, this is the actual time when you learn, when you show, when you experience, when you come to know about your hobbies, what are the things you are passionate about, your passions. So this is the time when you will come to know that what are my passions, what are my hobbies. So in this playing time, you will involve the creativity work like painting, drawing, singing, dancing, your calligraphy learning, your way of speaking learning, your pronunciation clearing, your studying, whatever thing you will involve. This is the time of yourself, for yourself. So you have to involve some of the creative things, or you can play games indoor as well as the outdoors. But hey, stay away from the electronic gadgets this time. This is the time to stay away from them. After playing games, then it's the time to connect yourself to some of the electronic gadgets. So you will say, I connect myself to some electronic gadgets. Come on, speak it again. I connect myself to some of the electronic gadgets. And after that, you have to just ask to your mother for some snacks. So what will you ask? Mama, have you prepared some snacks for me? Or Mom, do you have some snacks for me? So just pronounce it again. Mom, do you have some snacks for me? And after that, it's the time to spend time with your quality time with your parents, because it is very important. So you will spend this quality time with your parents, and it involves like the activities which you can do is you can listen to a story, you can listen to them, you can help them in the household works, or you can do anything with them, you can talk with them, you can have a conversation with them. But it's the time only to connect with your parents. So you will speak, it's time to spend my quality time with my parents. What you will speak? I spent my quality time with my parents. Because before sleeping, it's very important to just connect with your parents again, to discuss to them कि आपने पूरे दिन भर में क्या किया है. तो ये आपको अब it's a time to connect with your parents again. You have to discuss your whole conversation of the daily routines. You can talk with them, you can listen to the stories, to the poems, to some of the songs. It's the only time to get spent with your parents. So again, you have to connect with your parents. And after that, before going to bed, सोने से पहले, the last and very important thing is I greet again good night to my family members. Because before sleeping, again you have to greet good night to each and every family members of yours. So I greet my family members, and then you just go to bed and have sleep. So I go to bed and good night. This was the daily routine of yours, that you can have the daily conversation, the daily routines with your all the family members. And today's homework for everyone, the common homework is, आप सबको पहले तो इसको practice करना है कि how to speak it. You have to practice to you in front of your parents. Parents के सामने आपको you have talked with me. आपने मेरे से सीखा, अभी आप मेरे से बात की हो. अब आपको same thing अपने parents के साथ conversation में करना है कि how to speak it. Like you will speak, I wake up, I immediately greet myself, I energize myself, I get up. All these things you have to speak in front of your parents. So practice of the daily conversation class homework. And now let's come to the class wise. So class nursery, you have only this homework to practice the daily conversation of which I have taught you. Second is for class LKG. You have to also common homework as you have to practice, and then you have to write from letter Q to letter Z, capital letters. You have to letter from Q to Z. You have to write it down. That's all. Class UKG, you have to write small letters from R to Z. From letter R to letter Z, you have to just write down in your notebook. Class 1, you have to write cursive writing from letter Q to letter Z. Q से Z तक आपको cursive writing लिखना है. Then class 2, you have to write from letter E to letter J. From letter E to letter J, cursive writing very neat and clean. And all of you, don't forget to put today's date, to mention the topic, to mention the homework, to each and everything. And you have to just send the whatever homeworks we are giving you, you have to send it back to the school's official number, because we are keeping each and everything, each and every day's record. हर दिन का आपका रिकॉर्ड तैयार हो रहा है, सारे बच्चों का, सबका क्लास वाइज रिकॉर्ड तैयार होता है each and every days, हर दिन का डेट वाइज. सो डोंट फॉरगेट कि आपको आपके होमवर्क करने के बाद उसको सेंड करना है. देन क्लास 3 ऑनवर्ड्स, टुडे फ्रॉम क्लास 3 ऑनवर्ड्स आप सबको only you have to practice the daily conversation, but you will mention that homework in your notebook. We have practiced the oral communication of daily routine. You have to practice with your parents. So hey, this was the homework for all of you and for all of the classes. I think you will complete your homework, you will share it with the school's official number, and best of luck. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning, and best of luck for all the partial lives. Thank you.
Meet the Pathshala, Masti ki Pathshala, meet the Pathshala, Masti ki Pathshala.